Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is my all the time go to look for when I go to work. If I decide to wear makeup whenever I go to work, this is my go to look. Like literally, this face was done in 15 minutes with, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 products. So literally like 15 minutes, 11 products. You really cannot beat that. And this is just a nice, natural, not too much type of look. Even if you're not going to work, you may just want to spruce yourself up for the day. I just do the powder part. Um, you can exclude that out of the regimen if you have dry skin. If not, if you have oily skin like me, I just go ahead and I apply the powder. That way it'll keep me nice and mattified throughout the day, especially because I'm in Florida, so we're starting to get into the hot season, spring, and spring is teetering summer when it comes to that heat. So I just do the powder to give me an extra hold for the day so I won't look like a greasy mess. So yeah, this is the final look. 15 minutes. The products, if you want to review it, I went and I applied the Fenty Beauty foundation. I am in the color 450. And then I also grabbed the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer in Soft Matte. Um, yeah, it took forever for me to get this. I know. It's just every time I went to Sephora, they will always run out of this primer, and they will also always run out of my color, always. So finally, an angel came from heaven, and not only did they have one bottle of my shade, they had four. I was so tempted to just buy all four, but my husband was there, so I couldn't sneak them purchases. So I used the Fenty Beauty primer and foundation. My Real Techniques Beauty Miracle Complexion Sponge. My Too Faced Better Than Sex Foundation Mascara. My NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. And this is just to keep the eyebrows in place. And if you notice, a little trick that I do so I don't have to use the eyebrow pencil and concealer to touch up my eyebrows, because I am in the process of growing my brows back because I do want to have full natural brows also. What I do is I take my mascara and I use the end of my wand. I take like the extra that's always at the tip of your mascara. I can show you now. I take the tip at the top. I take the tip of the mascara one and I apply it to the ends, like the middle towards the ends, and I stroke my hairs with the tip of the mascara to kind of like give volume to my natural eyebrows. So yeah, that is definitely a little trick that I like to do to make my eyebrows appear a little thicker. So it's almost like you're giving your eyebrows a little tint, and it's good too because then it holds your eyebrows in place also. So it's kind of like a two-in-one win-win type of situation. So we got those two. I used my Wet n Wild Color Icon pencil to line my lips. I used my Alyssa Ashley and Elf collab lip gloss. And this is in the color Nude Rose. I believe she only has one shade. What else did I use? I used my Versali Unicorn Essence Skin Enhancing Antioxidant Serum. It applies literally like a serum. And then what it does is, in my opinion, it mattifies the skin. It applies like a serum, and then you get this nice sticky type um, feel to your skin. So it's almost like it's protecting and coating your skin at the same time. So I put that on first and then my primer. I've noticed that also limits the amount of oils that likes to come to the surface throughout the day. Then I used my Maybelline Fit Me Loose finishing powder to set my concealer, which was the LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Fawn. I set it with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose finishing powder in the color Medium Deep. And for my all over face, I used the Maybelline Fit Me Loose finishing powder in the color, I believe it's 40 Dark. Um, so yeah, those are all the products that I use. Oh, and I just sprayed my face with the Mario Badescu facial spray. And this is the one with the aloe herbs and rose water. They have plenty of different types of those sprays now, and I do want to try the one with the lavender, and I want to try the one with the aloe. So that's on my shopping list. So now that you know everything that I use, thank you so much for tuning in for another video. I will come with another video probably this weekend because I did buy some new products that I would like to, do videos on. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very helpful for you, especially for the women where, you don't have time to put on all the extra stuff to cake your face, as I like to say. So this was dedicated to you guys. I love you so much, and thank you so much for your love and support. And until next time, peace.